Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can join a meeting in GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in the GoToMeeting dashboard, and in the right top corner you're gonna see this meeting ID or link. So what you want to do is let's just please join my meeting from the computer. I'll just copy this, and what I have to do is just add the ID here, and it will automatically out the GoToMeet and click join. Right when I'm going to do it, it's going to ask me to open a GoToOpener. That's the application that you need to download if you don't have it. If you don't have it, you will need to just click here, download the app. So yes, have a great meeting, and here we go. So you just set up video already with the mic and everything, and yep, I'm ready. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.